Hello, dear ones, it's Alice. I'm of the stars. I have sad news. Yesterday afternoon, there was an aerial combat between the sole surviving raven in my neighborhood and a big hawk, a strong hawk. And as they disengaged and the hawk went off over the nature preserve, a smaller bird, more the size of a scrub jay, attacked the raven and injured one of its eyes and its neck. And raven went flying. It explained to all the people, all the beings in the neighborhood, that its eye had been hurt. And it swooped down to two lady walkers and explained to them too. And then it went off to the trees in the nature preserve. I was upset, and I was looking for raven. I didn't find raven anywhere. And I heard from the trees in the nature preserve, I heard it say, and I guess that was goodbye, because this morning raven was not there to greet me outside my door. I walked in the direction of the gate to the nature preserve, and I heard the most sarcastic, cruel, mean voice of the bird that had injured the eye of raven. It said, "I am Striker Bird." It said it very sarcastically, and raven is gone, and I am here now. And I saw Striker Bird perched on the power line by the neighborhood houses. I have concern. I have deep concern for the people and the animals in the area, that they not be greatly injured by Striker Bird. So that's the bad news. Please pray for my neighborhood. Pray for peace in my neighborhood, not a warlike spirit, but a spirit of harmony and mutual cooperation. God bless you all and keep you safe and be with you through all your days in love, light, and joy. This is Alice B. Clagett. I am of the stars, and so are you.